hold yourself through the fire. In the last little while, every time that I have felt like I cannot take it any longer, I cannot deal with all this drama happening around me, I go and look at this and I say this: hold yourself through the fire. And I don't know, it just seems to give me a little bit more strength. To me, it feels like holding your own hand while you go and do the really hard shit. You can make the tough decision, you can have that hard conversation, you can do this really difficult thing that you think that you can't do. Holding yourself through the fire does not mean suffering, okay? We're not here for suffering. We're here to feel our feelings and move on.
Having for dinner tonight, so we have nachos in the rice, some onion, oil, mince, and on the left we have some nachos, onion, oil, mince, a little bit of salt and pepper in the left and right. Tough. He's gonna try and jump her. You're doing a great job. What are you cooking? You're cooking chicken.
I feel a lot better than I have over the last couple of days. I feel like after I went camping and, you know, had a little bit of a break from everything, I just found kind of let go of all the anger and sadness for now. You know, letting go doesn't mean that you're not always going to feel it. It's just having a break. It's just having a break.
No mosquitoes in my house.
Not today. I absolutely adore that people remember me from my camgirl days. And kind of the reason why I got into camgirl work in the first place is because, you know, you would get really close relationships with people, and you'd really find out about people and they would find out about you. And yeah, it's not just about taking your clothes off. It's about actually really forming a connection with people, which sounds silly, but it's actually really true. Just written in my diary right here. I will always find a way to make my life full of love, no matter what. No matter if I'm rich, poor, you know, moving houses all the time, got a beautiful big house. I will always, always, always make my life full of love, and that is the biggest promise that I have to myself, is that Just flicking through my journal right now to see what I've written down, to see what I want to talk about. I wanted to talk about death. I want to talk about death. Death is the greatest teacher. You know, when my mum died, it put a lot of things into perspective for me. Honestly, made me realize I was more like my mum than I thought I was. I definitely have a big heart. I have a lot of forgiveness in my heart. I think that's one of the biggest things that I've learned over the last 12 months.
You know Summer?
Summer Hiskins?
Summer Shing.
No.
Sydney?
Anthony.
Stephen
with one thumb. The
Finger-
sculpture teacher?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
Painted Stephen into a piece of art.
Uh-huh.
They put it up in the office.
Aha! That's gorgeous. I love that. I love
Okay.
Stephen. What's his son's name? Rocco. That's
Um,
his name.
Well, Stephen left. Oh,
Yeah, fuck. But he was so good.
he's so good.
He's so good.
What's been going on in my head a lot lately is just meet everyone with love. Meet everyone with love, irregardless of whatever they're giving you back, whether it be pain, anger, sadness. Meet everyone with love. I will love and continue to love forever, as we all will.
I think you should get a sunset behind you because it's sick.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna
You have to give me.
you meant to dip.
Okay. My art is inspired by Playboy and Penthouse, you know, 60s, 70s, 80s. I feel like they just don't make corn like they used to. I have the Playboy tattoo on my butt. The tattoo and didn't realise what was actually kind of going on behind the scenes, but art that was created in these magazines are just so beautiful. I feel like we've lost so much of that with mainstream corn. You know, just beautiful photography. I feel like there is one company that's doing it really well, which are called the 4 Chambers. I would highly recommend going and checking them out online. They just create such beautiful corn. It's, I don't know, I get so inspired by the 4 Chambers and everything that they create. Last night in this house. Last night in this house.
Thank you.
And we've still got a little bit of work to do. Also, big shout out to Lantana Space. We love Lantana Space. If anyone hasn't heard of Lantana Space, please go check them out on Instagram, Lantana Space. Lantana Space.
Is that good?
Yeah, that was great.
That's what Mark meant when he said I should be in the movie.
Yeah, this is what Mark.
I have versatility. This is witchcraft. This is witchcraft. Everything is a portal. Everything is a poem. Everything is a ritual. And this, what a beautiful sticky wet poem. Last of the truffle oil, some mushrooms. That's me and you. That's me and my wife.
I love that. Some pecorino.
I love a pecorino.
Big shout out to Pecorino for sponsoring this video.
Can I massage it? Am I allowed?
Yeah. Stunning.
We need some preps from the garden. We've just gone on a night mission to the garden.
Yes. Wait, I need scissors.
So I can leave this side. Well, there's beauty in the ugly.
There's beauty in the ugly.
I'm sorry.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh,
Oh,
no way.
anyway. Look at that. That's gorgeous. What are you talking about? A little while ago, I bought this from the Up Shop. And today, I will be using it.
The story of the wine sipper. The origin of this unusual drinking vessel has been traced to 17th century Central Europe. At the time it was known as a schnapps. A schnapps How do you say this? I'll Google that later. As the schnapps and it was made of ceramic material. Argyle Wine Accessories of Australia have reconstructed a new version made from hand-blown glass. To enjoy the wine sipper, just pour your favorite wine into the bowl and then sip it through the stem.
I am a week away from moving to my next house. This will be the 3rd time I've moved this year. 3rd? No, 4th. This will be the 4th time I've moved this year. And honestly, I'm sick of it. I am someone that loves to just have a home. I don't like to be travelling around heaps. So I'm glad that I figured that out now and not, you know, decided to go travelling for 12 months and come to that conclusion then. However, I'm very grateful that I've been able to, you know, solo at people's houses, but I believe that manifestation is real, magic is real. Kind of just have to believe in something at this point, because if I don't, I think I will go insane. But I've been manifesting, you know, more success, making more money so that I can actually live, not have to continue living week by week and constantly worrying about money and where all my money is going all the time. I just want to buy something that I want sometimes and to have a bit of more of a stable home that I really love and put furniture into it and bits and not just be kind of living on top of someone else's stuff. I will get there. I will get there. This will work out. I am doing the right thing. I'm on the right path. You have to believe in your own art, in yourself, in your ability to put it out into the world. This is my room. This is where I sleep, make movies. That right there is my altar. That's where all my clothes live. That's where all my shoes live. This is our balcony. And there was an owl. And there at the end of the day. Goes all the way around.
Hi. Wow, look at this measure in the spotlight. Come. This stove is a relic. We've been waiting 1,000 years.
This dress it's beautiful, but it's so hard to sit down in and flash. I like art because I love it, and if I'm not putting love into my art, then what is the point? Find family in your friends. I've been so ostracized by my own family, well, by specific members of my own family because of what career I have decided to do. I haven't had extremely close relationships with my family because of a lot of just the trauma, but you know, since I was a teenager, I've always felt like my family are my friends. I feel like the closest relationships I've had are friendships. I have a lot of adopted parents that I've collected over the years, so that's made it a lot easier too. So grateful that I've had so many people open their hearts to me in that way. Very, very grateful for that. Bye.